Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub, where imagination takes the spotlight. Today, get ready for a sweet and fruity adventure. We're drawing a strawberry birthday cake. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Grab your markers because it's time to celebrate with art. Let's dive into creating a cake that's as delicious as it is delightful. Picture a round cake. And let's make it extra special by adding 3 juicy strawberries on top. Now, let's sprinkle some magic on our cake with star-shaped decorations. Because birthdays are all about shining bright. To make our creation even more festive, let's draw a plate to set our strawberry birthday cake on.
Wow!
Now, let's make those outlines bold and sharp with our black marker, giving our cake a vibrant and polished look. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the icing on the cake, so to speak. Let's bring our strawberry birthday cake to life with a burst of colors. Red color. Bottle green color. Green color.
Cool!
Yellow color. Pink color. Blue color. Golden color. Gray color. Tada!
Awesome!
Our strawberry birthday cake is ready to add sweetness to your artistic world. I'm so impressed by your creativity. Remember, keep exploring and sharing your fantastic artwork with us. Bye for now, my fantastic artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.